Hey everyone, welcome back to Generative AI. If you love cutting edge tech, innovation, and the latest breakthroughs in AI, gaming, and computing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly mind blowing: Tencent's brand new Turbo Hybrid Mamba. This revolutionary technology is set to shake up the industry, bringing a fusion of extreme power, speed, and efficiency like never before. Before we jump into the details, let me take you back to a time when technology was nowhere near as powerful as it is today. Think about how slow computers were just a decade ago. Remember the struggle of waiting minutes for a game to load, for a video to buffer, or for an AI model to process a simple task. Now fast forward to today, where everything happens almost instantaneously. But just when we thought technology had hit its peak, Tencent came along and said, "Not yet." And that's where the Turbo Hybrid Mamba comes in. So, what exactly is the Turbo Hybrid Mamba? It's a next-generation computing architecture developed by Tencent, designed to redefine performance and efficiency across multiple industries. We're talking about a system that integrates cutting-edge AI acceleration, hyperspeed data processing, and an advanced hybrid framework that merges traditional computing with next-level neural processing. This is the kind of breakthrough that will push gaming, cloud computing, and AI-driven applications into a whole new era. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of the Turbo Hybrid Mamba is its hybrid computing framework. Unlike conventional processing units that rely solely on CPUs and GPUs, this new architecture introduces an advanced AI coprocessor that dynamically distributes workloads based on real-time demand. Imagine running high-end A8A games with zero lag, training complex AI models in record time, or streaming 8K video while simultaneously running background AI tasks without any hiccups. This is not just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about computing power. Let's talk about gaming for a second. Tencent has already established itself as a dominant force in the gaming industry, and with the Turbo Hybrid Mamba, they're taking things to an entirely new level. Imagine playing an open-world game where every single NPC is powered by AI, so advanced that it reacts uniquely to your actions. Imagine game physics so realistic that it feels indistinguishable from real life. Thanks to its neural optimization and hyper-threading capabilities, this system eliminates lag, reduces latency, and enhances real-time rendering, making virtual worlds more immersive than ever. But it's not just about gaming. The Turbo Hybrid Mamba is set to revolutionize AI development. AI researchers and engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, but one of the biggest bottlenecks has always been computational speed. Training deep learning models takes an immense amount of power, often requiring days or even weeks to complete. With the Mamba's hybrid acceleration, model training is expected to be up to 50 times faster than traditional setups. This means breakthroughs in medical research, self-driving technology, and advanced automation will arrive much sooner than we expected. Cloud computing is another area where this innovation is going to make waves. Tencent has been a leader in cloud services, but with the Turbo Hybrid Mamba, their infrastructure is about to become even more powerful. The enhanced processing speeds and dynamic workload management will allow businesses to scale operations at an unprecedented rate. Imagine AI-driven customer service responding in real time, data analysis being completed in a fraction of the time, and seamless cloud gaming without a single frame drop. The future of cloud computing is here, and it's looking faster and smarter than ever. Security is another major concern when it comes to high-performance computing. With great power comes great responsibility, and Tencent is not cutting corners in this area. The Turbo Hybrid Mamba features state-of-the-art encryption layers, real-time anomaly detection, and AI-driven security protocols that can predict and neutralize cyber threats before they even materialize. This level of security is crucial, especially as more industries rely on AI-driven operations, cloud storage, and real-time data analysis. Tencent's Turbo Hybrid Mamba is not just another technological upgrade, it's a revolutionary leap in computing power, AI acceleration, and hybrid processing efficiency. The technology behind this innovation is poised to change the landscape of gaming, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and real-time processing in ways never seen before. Tencent, a global leader in AI research and gaming, has poured extensive resources into developing a hybrid computing architecture that not only outperforms traditional processors, but also introduces a new era of adaptive processing that adjusts dynamically to different workloads. This level of intelligent computing is a game changer in industries that demand speed, efficiency, and real-time decision-making. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Turbo Hybrid Mamba is its hybrid architecture, which integrates an advanced AI coprocessor with traditional CPUs and GPUs. Most computing systems today rely heavily on CPU-GPU combinations to perform tasks, but these configurations often face bottlenecks when handling AI-driven operations. Tencent's solution introduces a third element into the equation, an AI-driven processor that can dynamically allocate computational power where it's needed most. This means high-performance gaming, AI research, and cloud-based applications can run faster and more efficiently than ever. Gaming, one of Tencent's strongest domains, is set to be transformed by the power of the Turbo Hybrid Mamba. Tencent has been a major player in the gaming industry, developing some of the world's most popular games and dominating the esports scene. With this new hybrid technology, gaming experiences will see a fundamental shift. Imagine an open-world game where AI-powered NPCs interact with players in a way that feels completely organic. Every decision a player makes will lead to dynamically generated responses, thanks to the real-time neural processing capabilities of the Mamba. Unlike current games that rely on pre-programmed behaviors, the AI in Mamba-powered games will create unpredictable and lifelike scenarios, making gameplay more immersive than ever. Beyond gaming, artificial intelligence research is about to receive a significant boost. Training deep learning models typically requires immense computational resources, often taking days or even weeks to complete. The Turbo Hybrid Mamba changes the game by offering an infrastructure that accelerates AI model training by up to 50 times compared to traditional methods. This means AI engineers and researchers can iterate and test new models much faster, leading to rapid advancements in fields such as natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive analytics. With AI becoming a core component of industries ranging from healthcare to finance, Tencent's breakthrough could be the key to unlocking next-generation AI applications that once seemed decades away. Cloud computing is another area where Tencent's Turbo Hybrid Mamba will make an enormous impact. Cloud services today struggle with latency and computational efficiency when running large-scale applications, especially those involving AI-driven analytics and high-speed data processing. Tencent's hybrid architecture ensures that cloud applications can dynamically distribute workloads based on demand, optimizing speed and reducing processing lag. This could revolutionize industries like finance, where real-time market predictions and automated trading rely on the fastest computational speeds available. It also means enterprises will be able to handle massive data processing tasks without investing in expensive dedicated hardware, as Tencent's cloud-based solutions powered by Mamba will offer superior performance at a fraction of the cost. Another fascinating feature of the Turbo Hybrid Mamba is its real-time rendering capabilities, which will completely change the way we experience visual content. Whether it's in gaming, virtual reality, or film production, Tencent's technology will allow for near-instantaneous rendering of hyper-realistic graphics. Game developers will no longer need to compromise between performance and visual fidelity, as the Mamba's AI-driven rendering engine can handle complex physics simulations, real-time ray tracing, and deep learning-assisted graphical enhancements simultaneously. This means photorealistic environments will become the new standard, making games and virtual simulations more immersive than ever before. Security is a major concern in high-performance computing, and Tencent has implemented cutting-edge security measures into the Turbo Hybrid Mamba. With AI-driven security protocols, the system can detect and neutralize cyber threats before they even materialize. Traditional security models rely on reactive measures, meaning systems are only protected after a threat has been identified. Mamba, on the other hand, uses predictive AI to analyze potential vulnerabilities in real time, ensuring that systems remain secure from evolving threats. This is particularly crucial for industries dealing with sensitive data, such as banking, healthcare, and government institutions. With cyber attacks becoming more sophisticated, Tencent's approach to security sets a new benchmark in AI-driven cybersecurity. Tencent's Turbo Hybrid Mamba also brings significant advancements in energy efficiency. High-performance computing typically demands vast amounts of power, leading to increased costs and environmental concerns. The Mamba architecture addresses this issue by optimizing computational workflows to minimize energy consumption while maintaining peak performance. By using AI-driven workload distribution, the system ensures that only necessary processing power is utilized at any given time, reducing unnecessary energy waste. This is an essential development for data centers and enterprises looking to cut operational costs while maintaining top-tier computational capabilities. The potential applications of the Turbo Hybrid Mamba extend beyond gaming, AI, and cloud computing. The technology could revolutionize industries like healthcare, where real-time data processing is critical. Imagine AI-assisted medical diagnostics capable of analyzing patient data and identifying diseases in seconds rather than hours. With the computational power of the Mamba, hospitals and research institutions could run more sophisticated simulations for drug discovery, leading to faster breakthroughs in medicine. Similarly, in the automotive industry, self-driving car systems powered by this technology could process real-time traffic data and make split-second decisions with greater accuracy than ever before. Another area where the Turbo Hybrid Mamba could have a huge impact is in the field of robotics. Robotics heavily relies on AI-driven decision-making and real-time processing to function effectively. With this new hybrid computing system, robots will be able to process data more efficiently, improving automation in manufacturing, logistics, and even personal assistance. The ability to integrate AI-driven intelligence with high-speed processing could lead to the development of robots that can learn and adapt to new environments much faster than current systems allow. Tencent's Turbo Hybrid Mamba is not just about raw power. It's about creating a seamless, interconnected ecosystem where AI, gaming, cloud computing, and automation work in harmony. As we move further into an AI-driven future, computing systems must evolve to handle the increasing complexity of modern applications. This is exactly what Tencent is delivering with its hybrid Mamba technology. It's an innovation that doesn't just offer incremental improvements, but rather redefines how we approach computing efficiency, performance, and intelligence. With early beta testing already underway, industry insiders suggest that Tencent will roll out the Turbo Hybrid Mamba for commercial use within the next year or two. Major corporations and developers are already preparing to integrate this technology into their infrastructure, knowing that it will provide them with a competitive edge. Whether gaming studios looking to create next-generation interactive experiences, AI researchers seeking to accelerate model training, or enterprises aiming to optimize their cloud computing capabilities, the Turbo Hybrid Mamba is set to become a critical component of future technological advancements. Now, you might be wondering, when can we get our hands on this technology? While Tencent hasn't announced an exact release date yet, industry insiders suggest that early beta testing is already underway, and we could see commercial applications within the next year or two. Major tech firms and game studios are already eyeing this technology, preparing to integrate it into their ecosystems. The possibilities are endless, and it's only a matter of time before this innovation reshapes multiple industries. This isn't just another hardware upgrade, it's a vision of the future. Tencent's Turbo Hybrid Mamba represents the next evolution of computing, combining AI intelligence with raw computational power to create something truly game-changing. Whether you're a gamer, a developer, a researcher, or just a tech enthusiast, this is something you'll want to keep an eye on. The world is moving faster than ever, and with breakthroughs like this, we're stepping into an era where the impossible becomes reality. So, what do you think? Could this be the beginning of a new era in computing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Generative AI for more deep dives into the latest tech innovations. Stay curious, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.